Hey guys, I'm in Target. I wanted to see if they had any Easter rockin'. Yeah, so the bunnies, are these $1? Oh no, they're $3. So yes on the bunnies, right? Standing up, laying down, so that's going on. Oh, the cutie dogs, the ceramic dogs. These are $1. They're super cute, almost fell out my hand. Isn't that so cute? Look. Oh, that's cute. I feel like these are tier tray-y, right? And then here are the silver ones. You know what? I can't believe I'm gonna say this. I kind of like the gold ones better. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wasn't sure what this was until I picked it up. The egg candles. Let me see. Oh yeah, that smells nice. $3 for this one. All the different colors right here. Fully stocked too. $3 for the carrots. This is all the same. And then these are 3 different ones. I see that gingham print, the polka dots. So yeah. And these pretty eggs right here, these are $1. So the green one, the blue, and the pink. They're really pretty. Oh nice, this carrot basket. I'm feeling this. Is this $5? I think I want this in the cart. Here's a wreath down here. This is the only one. I don't know how long these things have been out. I think this is $5. I was trying to check. Oh, cute, the watering can. So this one, I see the bee and the blue back there, and then blue and pink. That's adorable. Some of the baskets looking like Crocs. Yes. Push those right in. The blue one, what's this? And the pink one, those are cute. When I tell you, it has been quite a minute since I've been in Target. Wow, I'm gonna say like Christmas. Good. What's this down here? Are these placemats? Yes. That is pretty. These are $5, set of 2. Oh, that's so pretty. This one right here, and then this one. I really like this one. You know what I just thought about? The new bar cart, like this being on top of it that I grabbed from the thrift store. That's pretty. So yeah, $5 for a set of 2. So it's a lot of bows, right? So this is pretty. This just reminds me of a baby, like a newborn. So that tray, and then this one, like that checker, is on there. That's different. I actually like these. Are probably $5. Yeah. That set of glasses here. These are pretty, right? These are $5. And then these right here. Oh, this blue is fire. That is really pretty. I'm feeling that. And then the bow basket, right? That is so darn cute. It's a vase. This is $5. It's iridescent too. I didn't realize it until I pulled it all the way out. Oh, nice on the napkin rings. The bunny ears. These are iridescent too for $3. They're just calling this a decor box. It's pretty, right? Those flowers on there. This is $3. I think it's 2 different sizes. The rectangle and then the square. They're really cute. Is this $3 too? The dish towel, welcome to our patch, and then here's the other one. That's cute, right? Nice and neutral. Actually, I think I want this in the cart. Yes, on the bunny butt, and this is the second towel, the green and white stripes. That is super cute. Oh my goodness. I know these aren't new, but it's so super cute. Tea time, me time for $1. The spoon rest. Yes, be bold. That's me. So that's rocking. How cute are these little egg holders? That is adorable. And then it's a blue one up here too. That's super cute. You know what I feel like yellow is missing or something. That's adorable. This is a nice picture right here. I love this handle. It's nice and heavy for $5. I would use it as a vase, yes. Oh, nice, the salt and pepper shakers. This one is the pepper, the 3 holes, the bunny. I love when the bunnies are laying down like that. So super cute. And then the blue polka dot has white polka dots on it for the salt. Yes. How much are these? $3. Oh, look at these, the pillows. This is an egg, I feel like. That is so cute for $5. This is like a swan. I feel like, isn't that pretty? That's so cute. I only see like blue and white rock. Yes, all the way at the bottom, hiding was the carrot. So yeah, this one is 5. What's that back there? I thought it was a bunny. Looked like a bear. But yes, on the carrot and the cart. And these are the days of our lives. Right? Oh my goodness, this is 5. That's so cute. Oh, look at these. That's different. That's so pretty. These are 5 too. That's pretty. Oh, look at this dream basket. When you're doing the fruit and things, washing that up, draining on in to the sink, it was only $1 in the cart. A pack of 4 of the spice jars for $3. Yes, on that. So that's rocking. It's been so long. I don't know what's old and what's new, but yes, on these spice jars. Oh, here are the silver tops. So the black and the silver. I am so cold because I'm in the front of the store and the door keeps opening and closing. I'm freezing. Yes, on this again. So here they go over here too. I like this a lot. I think I'm gonna get it. In the cart. A salad shaker. Yes, on that. This is 5, right? Throw the dressing up here. That's super cute. Yes, on the dollar ducks, right? For Kara. I'm feeling this cow print. I'm all about that. In the cart. Oh, how cute with the basket. In the cart. And here's the bunny one. Look with the butt. Oh my goodness. In the cart. And I'm gonna grab the BFF. That's super cute. In the cart. I'm seeing all kinds of good novelty drinkware. Let's go. Oh my goodness. I would use this as decor. How cute is that? What is it? This is only $3. Fill that right on up with the good. Yes. Oh, look at these reusable Target bags here. How much are these? I don't see $3. Oh, they are cute. I like them. It's so much stuff I haven't seen. Yes, on these pretty jars. These are $3. The syrup bottle, and then that jug here. They're just calling it a glass pump bottle. This one is $5. This line in here is so long. I hope by the time I get over there, it'll calm a little bit. These jars right here, 4 in a pack for $5. Throw some things in there. That's green. I see the clear ones back there. Yeah, the green and the clear. It's the richest. I love this, right? The spray bottle. That same, the green and the clear. This green is fire. Look at these analog clocks. I immediately thought of Kara. I think Sydney could care less about a clock. I think I'm gonna grab one for Kara in the cart. Oh wow, I'm too early. They're still putting stuff out. This pillow is pretty for $5, I'm sure. Yeah, all of these are marked Bullseye. I see some more blue and white eggs here too. Darn. So let me see what I got rocking. Yes, on these dish towels. I really do like this color on here. Yes, on the carrot basket. That's super cute, right? The carrot pillow, the carrot clock, right? All the ducks. Yes, on this cow. Me in a black and white print. That is so cute. And then all of these, Easter and the BFF was rocking. And yes, on this is so darn pretty. It's heavy. I can't wait. You know what? I think I'm gonna put the flowers in there that I grabbed from TJ. Remember? Yes, on that. Oh, I just got excited. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.